So my dear students, today we are going to discuss 3 activities in this chapter. Okay, so the first activity is construct a triangle using the polygon tool and measure all the angles inside the triangle. So this activity I have already shown in the last class, but for your better understanding I'll repeat the thing once more. Okay, so I'm going to take the GeoGebra application. How to open GeoGebra? Okay, go to application, select education, then click on GeoGebra. Okay, now open the GeoGebra application. Next, first you have to select the polygon tool. Here you can see the polygon tool. What is the second step? We need to construct a triangle. Okay, so first make a left click. Don't want to click and drag. Just move your mouse pointer freely. Make the second click. Again move your mouse pointer freely. Make the third click. And always remember, come back to your starting position to complete the triangle or any polygon. So I am going to click on the starting point. Now we have constructed the triangle. Now we are going to find the angle inside the triangle. So you have to select the angle tool. Here you can see the angle tool. Select the angle tool and just double click inside the triangle. You click OK on this. So you can see the angles are displayed here. Okay, what is this angle? BAC. Likewise, what is this angle? ABC. Likewise, what is this angle? ACB. Okay, so now we have found out the angles. So this is how to construct a triangle and to find the angles inside the triangle. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, so I have written here clearly the steps. What is the first step? Select polygon tool from toolbar. Construct a triangle using polygon tool. We have constructed it. In the next step, select angle tool. And finally, what you have to do? Double click inside the triangle so the angles will be displayed. So this is our first activity. Now we will move to our second activity. So please read out the question. Construct a triangle. Using move tool, try to move the sides and record the measurement of angles in a table. Find the sum of the angles and write your inferences in your notebook. Inference is nothing but a conclusion. What is your conclusion from this question? Okay, so I'll repeat once more the question. First you have to construct a triangle. Please understand the question. First you have to construct a triangle. After that you take move tool. Okay, take the move tool and you click on any point and you move the point. So the triangle will be also changed. Angle will be also changed. And you just find out the sum of the angles. Okay, and you write down the conclusion. Inference means conclusion in your notebook. So I have written here the steps. So but before that, I'll show you how to do that, then it will be very clear for you. Okay, so first I am going to construct a triangle. So for that, what you have to do, click on the polygon tool and select polygon. Now I am going to construct a triangle. Make the first click, move the mouse pointer freely, don't want to click and drag. Second click, move the mouse pointer freely, don't want to click and drag. Third click, and come back to the starting position to complete the polygon. Now we have constructed the triangle. Now we are going to find the angle inside the triangle. How to find that? Yes, double click inside the triangle, click on OK. Now we have found out the angles. Next I am going to move these points. Okay, now I am going to note down these values in a table. Okay, so I have created a table here. What is angle BAC? Check it. BA 51 degree. So note down in your table 51. Okay, what is the second angle? ABC. What is this angle? 75. So note down angle ABC 75. Okay, now what is the third angle? ACB. What is the value? 54. So note down that 54. Now you just find out the sum of these three angles. What will be the sum? Yes, 180. Now I am going to move this point B using move tool. So select move tool, move, and I am going to move this point. Click and drag. I repeat, click and drag. Now you note down the values in that table. So what is the first angle? BAC. What is that? 34. 34. Note down here. What is angle ABC? ABC. What is that? 50 degree. 50. Now what is the next angle? ACB. ACB. What is that angle? 96 degree. So you note down here. Now you add these three, 34 plus 54, 34 plus 50 plus 96. What is the sum? Again 180. Okay, so one more time. Next I am again changing the position of this triangle. I am moving this point from here to here, and another triangle. Now you note down the values. What is angle BAC? 115. You can see here 115. Note down here. Next, what is angle ABC? Here 38. Note down here. Now what is angle ACB? This angle 27. Note down here. Now you add these three, 115 plus 38 plus 27. What is the sum? Yes, 180. So for all these we are getting the sum of angles as 180 degree. So what is our conclusion? What will be our conclusion? Yes, the sum of the angles inside a triangle will be always 180 degree. 180 degree. Is it clear, my dear students? So our conclusion is the sum of the angles inside a triangle will be always 180 degree. This you may have studied in your mathematics. Is it clear? So this is our second activity. So I'll show you the steps here. What we have done first we have select the polygon tool. We have second step, we have constructed a triangle. Third step, we have selected the angle tool. Fourth step, double click inside the triangle, so we will get the angles. Note down the angle in your table. Using move tool, move a point, any point you can move, and note down the measurement of angles in a table. Try these steps one or two times and write down your conclusion. So for this question, what is our conclusion? The sum of the angles inside the triangle will be always 180 degree. Okay, my dear students, hope all are clear. So please make this concept clear. Okay, repeat. Now we will move to our next activity, activity 3, similar to activity 2, but instead of a triangle we have to construct a pentagon. What do you mean by pentagon? Yes, a shape with 5 sides. Okay, so you have to construct a pentagon. Again, using move tool, try to move the sides, record the measurements, record the measurement of angles in a table, and find the sum of the angles. Okay, so again I will show you the activity. Try to understand and write down these steps in your notebook. Okay, so the first step, I am going to select the polygon tool from the toolbar. Click. I am going to construct a pentagon with 5 sides. First click, second click, third click, fourth click, fifth click, and come back to the starting point. Okay, now we have constructed our pentagon. How to find these angles? How to find these angles? Yes, select the angle tool. What you have to do? Yes, double click inside the pentagon. Click OK. So we have got the angles. I'm going to round here, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so these are the angles. Now what you have to do, like your previous activity, you have to create a table and you note down these angles, angle values. Okay, Next I am going to change the position of this point C. I repeat, I am going to change the position of this point C. What will happen? The angle values will be also changed. You can see here. Okay. Now you note down these values in your table. Please note down now in your notebook. Okay. And you add these values: 79 plus 156 plus 92 plus 89 plus 125. What will be the value? It will be 540. Now I am going to change the position of this point C from here to here. Again note down these values in your notebook now: 80, 124, 92, 89, 156. Now what you have to do? Find the sum of these angles: 80 plus 124 plus 92 plus 89 plus 156. What will be the sum? Again 540. Okay, so what is the conclusion you got from this? What is the conclusion? Yes, the sum of the angles inside the pentagon will be always 540. I repeat, the sum of the angles inside the pentagon will be always 540 degree. Is it clear, my dear students? Okay, so I have written the steps here. You note down these steps in your notebook. What is the first step? As I have shown now, select the polygon tool. Second, construct a pentagon. Third, select the angle tool. Double click inside the pentagon, so you will get the angles. Now using your move tool, move a point. Note down the measurement of angles in a table and write down your conclusion. What is our conclusion? The sum of the angles inside the pentagon will be always 540 degree. Hope all are clear about these three activities. So for any queries and doubts, please contact me in person. Write down these steps in your notebook, all the activities in your notebook. And for activity 2 and 3, you have to construct a table like this in your notebook. Okay, my dear students, so complete the notebook. With these activities, we have finished our chapter When Lines Meet using the application GeoGebra. Okay, my dear students, hope all are clear about the concepts. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much.